Hello, my dear friends. Today we will consider a very important question: how to get out of debt step by step and take back control of your life. And let's get started. If you're in debt right now, this video won't make you rich, but if you watch until the end, you'll feel something more important: control. Because debt is not about money, it's about who controls your life, you or the system. Let's go. The FreeMan philosophy. A freeman is not someone with a lot of money. A freeman is someone who belongs to no one. Debt makes you controllable. You wake up already owing. You work, not by choice, but by necessity. Here's the truth. You're not a bad person if you're in debt, but you're stuck if you pretend it's normal. Step 1. Radical honesty. Take a piece of paper or your notes app. Write down everything: loans, credit cards, buy now, pay later, money you owe friends. Not approximately, not around this much, exact numbers. It will hurt, and that pain means you're waking up. Step 2. Stop digging the hole. The biggest mistake? Taking new debt to cover old debt. That's not a solution. That's delayed collapse. From this moment, no new loans, no temporary borrowing, no excuses. If the money isn't enough, the problem is the system, not the amount. Step 3. Total money control. You must know where every dollar goes, not for saving, for power. For 30 days, track every expense. No judgment, no excuses. Freedom begins with awareness. Slavery begins with chaos. Step 4. Debt exit strategy. There are 2 strategies that actually work. Snowball method: start with the smallest debt, close it, gain momentum. Avalanche method: start with the highest interest, save more money long term. Choose one. Don't jump between them. Consistency beats heroics. Step 5. Increase income, not suffering. Getting out of debt is not about misery, it's about growth. Ask yourself, what can I do? What have people already paid me for? Where can I earn more without burning out? A free man looks for leverage. A slave endures. Step 6. A new identity. A person without debt thinks differently. They don't buy to impress, they don't live for appearances, and they don't explain their choices. You are no longer a person in debt. You are a person getting out of debt. Those are different roles. Final, the choice. Debt won't disappear on its own, but once you take control, it's no longer a sentence, it's a root. Write in the comments, "I take control." And remember, freedom is not when you can do anything. Freedom is when you owe no one. Thank you for watching this video. To be better and grow is our path. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.